This is a 12-minute lower body workout using your reformer machine. To get started, you're going to put on one light spring. So on my machine, that's one yellow spring. You're going to adjust your foot bar to 90 and make sure your head blocks are attached onto your carriage. You're also going to need a ball and a ring for this routine. So let's get started. We're going to place our ring on the left side of our machine on the floor, and so once we need it, we have access to it. All right, you're going to grab your ball and you're going to place it against the machine and your right leg. So close to the foot bar as possible, and then place your left foot onto that head block on that carriage. All right, let's check our alignment here. I want that right knee stacked right above that ankle. Placing that ball between your leg and the machine helps you to keep your knee stacked right above that ankle. So place your hands on your hips and check if your hips are square here. Once you're ready, hands come to heart center or extend out in front of you. You're going to come down to a low lunge on that right side. Hold here, hold. Use a breath. Maybe even wiggle your toes on the right side, making sure you're squeezing that ball against the machine. We're going to add some motion here. You're going to come up to a nice soft stand and then slowly bring your hands to heart center in 3, in 2, and 1. Come up to a soft stand, bring your hands to heart center, and then slowly come back down. Try not to lock up when you come up to that stand. Placing constant tension on that right leg. You're squeezing that ball. You're going to feel this in the outer thighs, outer glutes here, and on your quads on that right side. That left leg is just acting as a kickstand here as you come down to a low lunge on that right side. Maybe even hold it a second or two longer as you come down. And then slowly bring your hands to heart center, coming up to a soft stand, coming right back down to a lunge. All right, let's stay low here. On that right side, stay low. Hold here, hold, and then let's squeeze that ball. You're gonna feel this all in the outer thighs and the outer glute here. Squeeze that ball against the machine. In 3, in 2, and 1, come back up to a soft stand. Whew. All right, so now we're gonna put on one medium spring. So take off that light spring, put on one medium spring. So on my machine, it's one green. You're gonna grab that ball, place it against the head block that's closest to you. And then your right foot is gonna align right underneath your hip. So it's about 8 inches from my machine, from my foot here. You don't want it too close. So place your foot right underneath that hip. And then you're gonna place that left foot against that ball. So the spring's a little heavier here. You have some more tension. You're gonna come down low on that right side. That right knee is still right above that right ankle. All right, hips are square, core is engaged. Once you're ready, bring your hands to heart center. And then stay low on that right. And then just, even if you're feeling good here, press, lengthen your arms out in front of you. And then bend your knee in on the left side and extend. So we're bending and extending on that left side here. Pressing down on our right foot, keeping our right knee stacked above the ankle. Definitely feeling this in the glutes here. When you bend that left knee in, you want to stop when the knee hits the hip and then press out, elongate that leg. Maybe even sink lower on that right side. Let's do 2 more here. 1 more. And then let's lengthen that leg out all the way on that left side. And then we're just going to round that spine, tuck the chin in, bring that left knee in, scoop that abdomen in, and then lengthen back out on the legs and the arms. All right, once again, tuck that chin in, round that spine, bring your elbows in and that left knee in, and then extend right back out. Let's do 2 more here. And 1 more. Come up to that soft stand, bring that carriage in. All right, so now we're gonna go into our heavier springs. Keep that ball nearby, maybe just press it against your machine. And then put on 2 heavy springs here, option to also level it up to add a yellow or a light or medium spring. I like putting on 2 heavies, and I also put on a yellow. So 2 heavy springs and 1 light spring. Okay, you're gonna drape your legs over that bar to get into position. Lay on your carriage and scoot your body down. Grab that ring and place it between your knees. All right, I want your heels close to the edge of the bar. Toes are pointing out. You're gonna place your arms down to your side here and just scoot your hips down, maybe even hold the edge of the carriage if you need, and just adjust your ring so you're got it come there comfortably. All right, we're gonna lift our hips up and then press that carriage out. Whoo, squeezing that ring and then slowly bringing it in, keeping the hips high, squeezing that ring the entire time and then pressing that carriage out. Whew. So you're gonna work on your glutes here. You're working on your inner thighs. Knees are pointing towards the ceiling. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Core is engaged the entire time. So you wanna scoop that abdomen in, press that carriage out, and then slowly squeeze that ring as you're pressing the carriage in and out. Now when you extend that carriage out, I want you to squeeze your glutes, flex the foot, push that carriage out, squeeze that ring. Yeah. Let's do 2 more here. 1 more. And then you're gonna bend your knees. Make sure your hips are still lifted. And then we're gonna squeeze that ring. Squeeze that ring. Yeah. Core is tight. Navel down to the spine, pressing your arms down onto the carriage to find that balance here. Make sure your moves are controlled here. Let's do 2 more and 1 more. All right, roll that carriage in. Place that ring off to the right side. And then grab your ball. Now we're gonna go into our narrow bridge. So place that ball between your knees. Your feet are about hip distance apart. And you want your heels pressing against that bar. Again, scoot your body down so your shoulders are against the headrest. And you're gonna press that carriage out, lifting your hips up to a bridge, and then keeping your hips at a bridge. Core is tight here. Knees come up towards the ceiling. Squeeze that ball and press that carriage out. Whew. Roll that carriage in. Squeeze that ball. Flex the foot, squeeze the glute as you roll that carriage out. Scoop your abdomens in as you roll that carriage in. Squeeze that ball. Keep breathing here. Squeeze that ball, feeling this in the inner thighs. Feeling this in the glutes here. All right, let's do 2 more. Roll that carriage in. 1 more. And then we're slowly gonna bend our knees, and this time we're gonna tap our tailbone down onto that carriage. Scoop the abdomen in and then squeeze your glutes as you come up. Continue to keep squeezing that ball. Tap that tailbone down, scoop the abs in as you come up. Let's do 2 more. 1 more here. And then roll that carriage in, grab your ball. Let's do the left side into our low lunge. Okay, so you're gonna put on 1 light spring. So on my machine, I have 1 yellow. Back to that light spring. You're gonna stand on the left side of your machine facing your foot bar. Grab your ball and place it right between your left leg and that machine. Right foot goes against that ped block. You're gonna come down to a low lunge on that left side, keeping that left knee stacked above the ankle. Use that bar to give you some support to start. All right, Bring your hands to heart center. Make sure your hips are square here. Your right leg is not flailing out, or that right hip. Keep it nice and square, facing forward. All right, bring your hands out in front of you and just hold here. Hold. Deep breath in, deep breath out, core engaged. And then we're slowly going to come up to a soft stand, pressing down on our left foot. In 3, in 2, and 1. Bring your hands to heart center. Roll that carriage in. Keep that right leg straight. And then slowly come down to a low lunge on that left side, squeezing that ball against the machine, keeping that left knee stacked above the ankle. All right, let's do 2 more here. 1 more. And on the next one, meet me down at that low lunge. And we're going to squeeze that ball against the machine. Squeeze, squeeze. Feeling this in the outer thighs, outer glute muscles. Yes, squeeze that ball. Keep going, keep going. In 3, in 2, and 1. Come up to a soft stand. Change your springs to a medium spring. So on my machine, it's 1 green, removing that light. So you've got 1 medium spring on. This is our last leg move. Place that ball against the head block closest to you. Left foot is on the floor. And I want that aligned, your left foot aligned with your hip. Your right foot is going to go against that ball and press that carriage out. All right, again, let's make sure our hips are square here. Left knee is stacked above that ankle. All right, we're just going to press that carriage out by bending and extending our right knee. Flex that foot, squeeze the glute, and then let that carriage in. Try not to ride that carriage. Press that carriage out, and slowly resist that carriage dragging you back in. Stop when that knee hits the hip, and slowly press right back out. Let's do 2 more here. 1 more. And on the next one, meet me with that right leg extended. Arms come out in front of you. And then we're going to round our spine, tuck the chin in, bring that carriage in. Working our obliques, working on our balance, and then extend right back out. Round that spine, scoop the abdomen in, bring that knee in, and then lengthen back out. Keep that foot flat on the floor, scooping that abdomen, extend right back out, maybe even dig even deeper on that left side. Let's do 2 more here. 1 more. And you're done. Whew. Thank you so much for working out with me. That was a 12-minute lower body workout using your reformer machine. I hope to see you again soon.